And today we're making celery juice.
It's really important to wash your celery and clean it. So I've already done that with all of the celery. So snap it in half and pull it back. You want to get rid of all of the loose strands. That way when it blends or juices, depending on the mixer that you use, they will all juice for you properly. But you don't want the loose strands in there because it makes it extremely difficult to drink. All right. Just throw your trash away. Very simple. Super great and easy to make. Oh, it smells so good and fresh. Just pour it right over the ice. And enjoy.